Hey, Divine One, I thought I'd show you how I package the Inner Child Oracle cards before I ship them out. They get a nice wrap of the bubbles. These cards are so great for your inner child healing because they remind you to tune into that sweet, innocent inner child every single day. And because I put so much into the packaging, I always want to make sure they are safe and get to everyone in the most amazing condition. I only put the highest quality cardstock, boxing, packaging, ribbon to remove the box easily into this creation. So after they're bubble wrapped, they get a little coupon code for more, a little card to tell you more about me, and then I always do a nice little Palo to just really make sure that they are infused with the most amazing energy. The whole time I'm sitting here doing this, I'm playing beautiful music, I'm sinking into the vibration of love, and I'm creating the most conducive environment to healing and light and love possible. Then they go into this yummy package where they are shipped off to you. It only takes 2 days to get these cards to anywhere in the US and 6 days anywhere outside of the US. And I'm running a special right now in my shop. If you tune into the link in my bio, you can save 5% on your own set of Inner Child Oracle cards. I hope you enjoy.